Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first cooking video, and today I was going to make a plant-based chocolate chip cookies, but guess what? I'm already slacking and this is my first video. I forgot to get the chocolate chips, so that'll be the next video coming up. So today I'm going to be making orange tofu. I have my tofu right here, got my broccoli, used this last meal, and I got my orange sauce, and I'm gonna start cooking the rice. Okay, so now I have the rice. I am going to wash the rice and pop it in the rice cooker and let that cook while I get the tofu and the broccoli ready. And as you can see, the tofu is cubed and drained, and the broccoli is washed. So the next step is going to be frying these tofu. So okay, so this is the same pan that I fried the tofu in, and this is what it looks like now. So my pan is pretty hot now. I have a little bit of oil in there. I am going to add the oh, that was too hot. That's too hot. Oh my god, that was too hot. Okay, so the broccoli is in there now. Oh, I got popped so hard. Oh, okay. So now the broccoli is in there. It's on medium heat. I am going to add the orange sauce because I'm lazy. I am using Panda Express orange sauce. This sauce is so good. You know, we're all about easy home cooking. I am eventually gonna learn how to make this from scratch though. But I like doing this because it's so much easier and their sauce is really good too. So once you have that in there, I usually let it cook for a little bit so that it's a little bit softer. But I am going to add the sauce. If I can open it. I usually add about half the bottle, and this usually lasts for 2 meals. So I usually add about half. Yeah, that's good, I think. And sometimes I will dilute it with a little bit of water, but I don't think I'm gonna do that this time. I'm just gonna let that cook and soften the broccoli, and you know, the orange sauce will get all up in the broccoli a little bit. Doesn't look like a lot of sauce, but it's all good. Oh, I lied. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little bit. That is perfect. Why did I say it like that? That's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. That's a big ass broccoli. I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit, soften up the broccoli a little bit, and when I feel like it is almost done, that is when I'm gonna add my fried tofu. Okay, now so back, and it looks like it's about done. So I'm gonna add the tofu in there, and I'll put that on low heat because I don't want the tofu to get too soft, but I do want the sauce to, you know, penetrate it just a little bit. Penetrate. Okay, well, so I'll put that on low heat. And cook that for like, oh, sorry. And cook that for like 5 minutes on low heat. And that is the orange sauce. So my rice is done. So now all I have to do is scoop this up, put it on top of the rice, and it's a great, oh my voice, and it is a great dinner. Yeah. That one's gonna be a very crunchy broccoli. That is why you don't add the stems unless you like the stems. I do like the stems though, sometimes. Like, I like the stems, but then if you add it, then this part gets overcooked and this part is like not cooked at all. So it's like, do you really want to add the stems? It is part of the broccoli, but you know, potato, I guess. What am I even saying? I'm just going off on a tangent. Okay, so I have my rice in the bowl. You're going to be seeing this bowl quite a lot. Just a little bit of water. You're going to be seeing this bowl quite a lot, so get used to it. So this is the final product. I'm going to just put it on top of the rice here. Just going to scoop that in there. You sure you don't want any more, babe? Do you hear me?
What?
You don't want any more? Okay. So, I know it doesn't look great. It doesn't look great, but it tastes pretty good. So, there you go. Simple, very, very simple orange tofu, all plant-based. So if you're looking for an easy meal, there you go. And I want to say thank you for watching, and I am going to be making plant-based chocolate ice cream after this. So that's going to be the next video. I know I said chocolate chip cookie. That's going to be the third video, I promise. But the next video is going to be plant-based chocolate ice cream.